Hello and welcome to Enthusiast Auto House and our 1994 Porsche 911 Carrera 2 Cabriolet. This example has 99,000 miles on it, clean title, clean CarFax. It's this beautiful black over the tan leather interior. It's the 5-speed manual G50 transaxle. Twin plug 3.6 liter flat 6. Starts right up, sounds excellent. It's an absolutely lovely drive. Inside, everything works properly. Has an aftermarket head unit that works great. All the gauges and everything work. There's some mild cracking on the dash. I don't know if you can see there. Door cards are in nice shape. Both seats are in nice shape. It's got the storage stuff in the back with aftermarket speakers. The electric top operates properly and is also in good shape. It has the zip out rear window with nice clear vinyl. The electric spoiler works at speed or via the button. All around, just a really great 964 Cabrio. So there you have it, our 1994 Porsche 911 Carrera 2 Cabriolet.